my ring fell off. Hi Jarifam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as I don't know, by the time this video goes up, we'll be done with Valentine's, I think. So I thought just to make this nice makeup look, I've kept very peachy coral vibes because I really did not want to go for the standard pinks and purples and lilac and this and that. So this is the makeup look I came up with and I pretty much like it. So yeah, this is the makeup look I've created. Very simple, and I have done this makeup in a different way, like I've done underpainting and all of that. So yeah, I think without any further ado, let's get into the video. So before we dive into the makeup stuff, as I'm filming a video for Valentine's, you do want to smell good and everything. So I just ordered this recently from Bath and Body Works. It is their Vanilla Bean Noel, Noel. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but this is the body lotion that I recently ordered from Bath and Body Works. And if you want to smell like as if you've come out from a bakery, if you want to smell vanilla, this is the fragrance for you. So don't forget to apply any such lotions and go on your date because you want to smell good and the guy should feel like, wow, what are you smelling of? Like you smell like a cake. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about this. Now let's get into the video. Let's move on to moisturizer. You guys know by now I have been loving this Hypen barrier care cream. Love the way it just gives that glow on my face and how hydrated and fresh and dewy my skin looks. Can you see this, guys? This is exactly what this makes my skin feel and look. So you can check this product out. Link will be in my description. For primer, I'm going to use my Inside Cosmetic Primer 3-in-1. Primes, protects and moisturize. So again, I will just take a very tiny amount. As I always say, that silicone based primer, you just need a little bit of it. You don't need a lot when you're working with silicone based primer, because if you do a lot, then your makeup is gonna turn out to be patchy. So always ensure that you use the most tiniest amount. So what I really want to do is I'm going to take some Makeup Revolution Superdewy highlighter. This is their liquid highlighter. I don't know the shade, but it was available in 2-3 shades if I'm not wrong. Again, I will have the link in my description so you guys can check it out. But guys, this step really makes a difference, and today, because I want that glowy fresh skin, I am doing this step. So I just took a little bit of highlighter on the back of my hand, and now I'm just gonna take my fingers itself, no fancy stuff, and I'll just place it right here where I know that I am going to highlight. So just, and look what a nice glow it will add, and I'm just loving to do this step. So at the end, like when I actually move on to highlighter, it will give me an sort of within the glow kind of finish. So this has been one of my absolute favorite step. I know it may look a bit much in the beginning, but do not worry, we are going to fix this up. By the end of it, everything will look good and nice, so don't worry. So this is how you can achieve that within the body kind of glow, as if you had drank tons of water. And by water I want to drink water. Let's move on to foundation. I'm gonna use my cult favorite K Beauty 120Y Light. So yeah, just taking half a pump. Today it's Valentine's, you want makeup, but you also don't want a lot of makeup. You want your skin also to speak through, so that's why I've kept this simple. If you want full coverage, you can definitely do it, but personally I would prefer a very light coverage base on my face. So yeah, just Like, I don't apply a lot of foundation on my forehead because you're truly not required. But my skin is looking so nice and fresh and juicy, and because of that beneath highlighter, it's just giving a punch. Okay, so for my concealers, I'm gonna use these two concealers. You guys know by now I am in love definitely with my Swiss Beauty concealer, and then the new favorite one is from House of Makeup. I'm gonna use House of Makeup. This is in the shade SL01. I think this retails for like 700 bucks, but it's thick, but it's still just so lightweight and medium coverage, and I feel you can again build it up with this concealer. So and all of that, I'm gonna use my again super dewy liquid bronzer from Makeup Revolution. I really like a glowing skin, and I feel all the cream products really adds so much of glow to your face. And this again by Makeup Revolution, these cream products are very natural, you know, they have natural finish and are very lightweight, and I really love how moussey this formula is. Just blend it out. It blends so seamlessly. I'm sure I've spoken about this many a times in my videos, so you guys know by now. Meaning I'll put on my nose as well. That's for my liquid bronzer stuff. So for my blush today, I'll be using this blush from K Beauty, Flirty Nude, because I wanted a very coral and peachy vibe. I felt this blush will do justice. Again, just taking a very tiny amount, because let me tell you, K Beauty blushes are very highly pigmented, so you don't want a lot. Just a tiny amount. Really warm up the product in your finger and then start applying. So I'm gonna apply it from here and then just blend it out with my finger itself, just like this. I don't want a lot of blush going on my face today. I want very nude peachy vibe, so that's what I am aiming for. Just keeping it here, a little bit here, a little bit. This is it, as I said again, very peachy, nice coral vibe. So this much of blush is good enough, definitely more than good enough. Loving how my skin is feeling and looking right now, so yay on that. Recently ordered this pack banana powder because I really wanted to give it a shot. I've never had a banana powder with me, so I thought, why not? This Praush makeup puff powder, puff you can say. I love using these puffs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna say, oh wow, but this just glided on my face and went inside so beautifully. Wow, I cannot. Wow. Okay, let me tell you something. Did you guys realize how this powder just took that shine off? Like literally how it just matted that entire area over here. I don't know, go back and watch my video, how it literally just mattified my face. Like,
oh my god, this powder, you guys, it's definitely a bit thick consistency, and it definitely mattifies your face like anyone's business. Like what? Oh hello, what is this?
but for sure this banana powder is way more thick than my translucent powder from PAC. So I don't know, let's see. I'm not hating it as such, like it is really doing the job of powder, but I don't know, I'm not even liking it a lot as such. I don't know, let's see. I'll just give it a shot for a couple of times and maybe then I'll be able to figure out what it is. But it has mattified my skin and how. So only retailed for 250 or 300 bucks. I'll again leave the link in description. So for my eyes, I'm gonna use 2-3 palettes today. Obviously my Swiss Beauty, one is this Nika K palette and one is from Elf Cosmetic. So these are my few palettes. So what I'm gonna do is I want to keep, as I said, today's look is like very nude and peachy coral vibes. I'm gonna first go ahead with this shade from my palette Swiss Beauty. Just applying it on the usual part of my face. I always start with focusing it off on my crease and then I go, on my eyelid. But I just did my brows today and I'm realizing I have cuts over here. I was thinking, why is this part really itching me? And now I just realized that I've had cuts. I use this shade as my next transition shade. Very nicely, simply, just like this. Just to brighten up my outer corner, I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. Again, a very nice peachy corally shade with not a pink undertone, a very nice peachy coral undertone. And I'm just gonna focus it on the outer corner. That's it. So just taking it and focusing it on the outer corner of my perimeters, just for that nice effect. The way. And then whatever is remaining, I'll just stretch it inside. Inner corners, I'm gonna pick up this white shade right here, so that I just have, that nice bright inner corners. I am using my bronzer from Makeup Revolution and bronzing the usual parts of my face, and lightly. Quickly use my Faces Canada eyebrow pencil. Doing my blush using this Swiss Beauty very nice coral shade, just like this. Let you blush, let your man know that you're blushing from within. Okay, wait. Pause and let me know in the comment what highlighter I'm going to be using, and if you really guess right, it means you really know me. But okay, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Did you guess it? Did you guess it? Right, wrong? What did you guess? I'm gonna use my Becca highlighter. It's the most trusted highlighter and nothing will can you see that ever go wrong with a Becca highlighter? Like, oh my goodness, what is this face, you guys? What is this face? Very nice champagne highlighter, and I just know it's amazing. Today's lip combination is this. As I said, I'm gonna keep it very nice, moody, natural, simple. Wow, is this true? Look at this lipstick. I love combining my lips and I feel it's perfect. It vibes with my overall look today. I'm feeling very dry. Just taking my Faces Canada Makeup Fixer setting spray and setting my face. Finishing it off with spritzing some Sol de Janeiro perfume, because as I said, you need to smell good. So that's it. This is my final look and this is my version of maybe this year's Valentine makeup look. Very nice, soft glam, peachy coral vibes, nothing pink, nothing purple. Like if you really want such peach coral nude vibes, this is the makeup for you. I hope you guys really liked it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on my channel, and I will continue seeing you. Don't forget to check out my Instagram for all my latest stories, posts, live updates, and everything. And yeah, have fun, enjoy, feel yourself, life's good, and yeah, bye, take care.